Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am decorating my fireplace TV stand. In my previous Christmas tour video I just showed part of it because it wasn't completely decorated, so now today I want to show you guys how I will decorate my fireplace TV stand. Main reason why I'm decorating this stand because my grandson, he will be spending Christmas with me, and this is his first time in United States, and he is 2 years old, and he was born in Thailand. And I'm mostly going to decorate with picks and a few faux flowers. And I'm going to start off with these huge picks I purchased from QVC, and I'm going to place them one here. Hopefully it will stay. I'm not going to try to keep it low because my fireplace is very low. My fireplace stand is very low, so I'm going to try to keep everything low so that it won't interfere with the screen. And I'm going to put another one on the opposite side because I want it to be very glamorous. And I purchased these picks from QVC as well. We'll place them maybe right here. Let's see, right there. Hopefully that looks good. And this garland, this gold garland is not the traditional color of a garland. Okay, now I'm going to add some more picks. And most of these picks are from QVC. I took one of the picks apart just to have these two bling pieces. And I purchased these beautiful poinsettia clip-ons from Walmart. I'm going to place them in the center of the garland to add the lights and these beautiful teardrop ornaments I purchased from QVC. They're made of glass, and it came in some light. And of course the lights, and I will be done with this. And now I'm going to add the ornaments. I don't know if I'll add all of them, but I think that'll be it for the ornaments. A couple more and I will be finished. Okay, you guys, this is the final look of how I decorated my fireplace TV stand. I hope you guys got some ideas and inspired to start decorating. And also I want to wish you guys a very happy holiday and a very safe holiday. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.